Hey, you see anybody we invent rice porridge? I call them could cook rice and the rice spoil. And they say, alright, me now go we look milk in I put look porridge things in I look you know, nutmeg, look cinnamon, you know, some leaf and them what the leaf there? Nutmeg. What kind of leaf them always put one leaf? A cinnamon leaf? Anybody will invent rice porridge. Me I tell you say. Then can't cook rice and the rice spoil and them say me now we see we have to eat something because tell me why. Tell me why. Why would rice be in a porridge? Come on now. Rice porridge tastes good? No, like beef porridge. Rice porridge tastes good too, though? Not for me. Not for me and it's not for everybody. Anytime me I cook rice and if that the rice spoil, me I put some milk in it, put some vanilla, look at nutmeg, cinnamon leaf, tada, rice porridge, period. That was what I intended to cook. I'm just saying, it wasn't an accident, it wasn't a mistake. Let me know your favorite porridge in the comments below. Cornmeal porridge, rice porridge, anybody say rice porridge, them have to go down. Oats porridge, plantain porridge, banana porridge, bulgur porridge. What else porridge them have? I think them have something like cream of wheat. Or them have something like a cream of wheat? Cream of wheat. Hold on. No cream of wheat. Wheat cereal. Ooh, amani too. Amani. So you want chew 2 times. You want chew for the dumpling and you want chew for the porridge. Porridge, me know if you do so much work. I know soup with food tonight. Alright guys, let's go. Walk with me. Me no want chew so much time. Porridge yeah, rest me teeth them. God have great cream of ooh. Cream of wheat. Me we drink that. Me know if you try make porridge and the porridge start pop. Jesus Christ. Porridge probably right now, me still have a bruise. Hey? Craziness. Oh, it's a whole episode about porridge. Can we move on? Jesus Christ, right now I'm hungry. I'm not planning to porridge this morning for breakfast. I apologize. We never did I go down the road here. So if a porridge you not think say we not did I go get, then it is sad to say that yeah, not today, not ever, okay?